We are the manufacturers of application-specific keyboards. We deal in several industries, retail, healthcare, and today we're at PTE talking about our the keyboards we use in the airline industry.
Yeah, and tell us what makes them special.
We are very robust, so we can handle millions of keystrokes, highly rated, so dust, grime, dirt, all of those features. And then recently we have started to introduce specifics, OCR reading for passports within the airline industry, encryption for credit card, security in payment transactions and such. Also have released a couple of new keyboards for gate check, where you can actually reassign seating and scan the ticket, reassign the seat if that's necessary.
And what's the benefit of these products? What does that bring to an operator?
If in the case of PCI compliance, which is the credit card security aspect, you now have total encryption of the transaction from the point of capture of the credit card with the swipe all the way out to the processor. The OCR reading, all built into one keyboard, reduces all of the clutter that you may see from time to time where you have an MSR velcroed to a monitor. Now it's all in one keyboard, one cable, nice and clean, easy to go forward with.
That's all part of the key thing about space, isn't it, really?
Absolutely.
In airports?
Yeah, everybody's trying to reduce the footprint that's going on, in whether it's retail or an airport, anywhere, and the ability to have all of the mouse, the MSR, the OCR reader, all into one device, one cable, nice and clean.
This is all important because space is just absolutely fundamental, isn't it?
Absolutely. Nice, clean environment. The keyboard containing the MSR, the OCR reader, mouse, all in one device. Doesn't take up any space at all. Much easier to deal with.
And what's the reaction from operators?
The show's been great for us. This is our third time at PTE. Each year we get a little bit more exposure, more and more people understand how we differentiate our keyboard, which is really almost like a data input device as opposed to a typical consumer grade QWERTY keyboard. So there a lot of positive feedback this show.
And why is it important that you attend the show?
When you're trying to break into a new industry, as we are into the airline space, you have to go to the industry-specific events. If we go to general IT, there's just way too much noise in the environment. This is strictly geared to us for the airline, and we get great exposure with the major players in the industry.
I'm going to say about the major players, you're obviously meeting the right sort of people coming to your stand.
Absolutely. We're seeing the right personnel from Delta, Emirates, BA, Air France, all over. It's been a wonderful show.